Good morning. This is Saturday, December 29th, the final Crypto Corner news of the year. Where did Mark's Crypto Corner go? Let's get there. Unscripted, of course, and live. Only live now, you'll record it. And here we are, Crypto Corner news. Here we are, the hardware Bitcoin wallets hacked. Really? The importance of responsible disclosure. What are they saying? Following yesterday's article regarding vulnerabilities uncovered in hardware wallets, both Trezor and Ledger have called foul play over irresponsible disclosure. It's probably a poor media article. Let's see. Hardware hacking group Wallet Fail, who exposed the security issues, at least partially deny this claim. Responsible disclosure in the security world. Hackers generally only go public with their findings after giving companies time to patch the stuff that they tell you is secure. Of course, I'm making this up at the end, but it's probably something like that. And who knew? Trezor, I mean, I guess you plug it in and to your computer and then it gets some sort of malware infection. Got to be careful. Okay. More Bitcoin news. Okay, I haven't seen that image before. The daily wallet hacking debate heats up. Bitcoin-based Patreon alternative emerges. Okay. To kickstart the weekend, we've curated a handful of short but compelling stories from across the crypto sphere. First up, we'll visit the fallout from Wallets Fail demonstration of hardware wallet cracking. We'll then move on to a Patreon alternative that's powered by cryptocurrency and a viral tweet storm about everything that's allegedly wrong with Ethereum. That could go really deep down the rabbit hole. Let's just try to be safe. There's a hell of a power supply. German startup devises eco-friendly, energy-efficient miners. Or it could be a mining box. It should be solar-powered. Tech is a company that has been researching current mining solutions as part of its project to create an efficient alternative with high computing power and low energy consumption. A definite must in this time and space of humanity. Its cube devices are silent mining rigs that can be installed in living rooms. You heat your living room with that. Heat your cottage. The miners can also use renewable energy and are designed to reuse other things. That's good. I wish them luck. And in 10 or 20 years, this whole crypto sphere thing is going to be not what it is today. We'll have Bitcoin and all that, and Bitcoin, I think, is going to be just massive adoption by then, but the whole crypto sphere and ecosystem is going to be different from what it's just breaking out now. Japanese regulator publishes proposed rules for crypto service providers. Okay, so they're still making up rules. Very lovely fingernails this guy has. Yeah, healthy human specimen right there. Japan's top financial regulator has published the final report outlining proposed rules for cryptocurrency service providers to follow. The rules address such areas as hacking incidents, coin listings, financial and price disclosures, margin trading, and crypto custodial services. Also read, Indian Supreme Court moves crypto hearing. They don't have time for it that day, they move it to another day. Community calls for positive regulations, final report of proposed rules. Okay, next, look at this black and white image. What's this? Month to month, Ethereum ICO Treasury net withdrawals. ICO Ethereum sell-off hits all-time high, December. I don't know. Total Ethereum, net withdrawals. Yes. Right in there. I wonder why. 2018 has been the polar opposite of 2017. Yes, actually, this time last year, I registered this domain name. And then everything went to hell. But that's okay. I didn't really get damaged. So here we are. Okay, 2018 has been the polar opposite of 2017. Cryptocurrency prices were flying and doubling with sporadic timing. Cryptocurrency investors playfully spammed Moon and Lambo tweets. What does that mean? I've never heard that expression. Moon and Lambo. A power duo. I don't know what that is. Okay. ICOs were the talk of the 2017 town. Today, things are different, especially for the once praised new way to raise capital, dropping nearly 88% from its January 2018 time frame. Yeah, we know what Bitcoin right now is at 3802 American, which is way below what it was last time this year. But that's okay, because we're trading on percentages, not a price. And we'll talk about that soon. If you do what you should do, which I will tell you what you should do as an expression of opinion. You don't have to. Here we go. Okay. Has crypto grown in 2018? Look at these little seedlings. So it seems the two worlds of crypto and global politics have finally collided. Over the last 24 hours, I have seen several crypto analysts trying to blame Bitcoin's fall below 36 last night on the U.S. government shutdown. What's it got to do with the government? And their logic is that due to the shutdown, we may see a delay in the launch of probably ETFs and trading desks and custodial houses, mining operations. It's all going to come together. Don't worry about the government. They're not your friend, and they're not going to take care of you, right? You just do what you got to do to make your money. We'll talk about that. Okay, blockchain company buys Spanish soccer club, cementing crypto sports connection. And I think we read something about that earlier. A Dutch crypto company, Libereum, has announced the acquisition of Spanish soccer club Elche CF. I don't know how to say that. Elche. I'm just going to go with that. Who are based in the province of Alicante. I'm going to say it that way too, because I'm no Spanish dude. Okay, the move provides another sign that the crypto world's interest in sports sponsorship and partnerships is growing. That's good too. Also read, eToro will give dollar equivalent of BSV to pre-fork Bitcoin cash holders. Libereum and Elche shared joint vision. Okay, well, I don't worry about eToro because I can't use it here in Canada. I was going to until they sent me an email and said, you can't use us because you're in Canada. I'm like, okay, that's fine. So, what's next? AT Kearney report. Bitcoin will mature and reclaim market share in 2019. There's another opinion. I tend to believe that. I don't think it's going to go much below what it is now. We're at 38.06. Good time to buy, in my opinion. Bitcoin is not dead. No. Management consultancy. This is early, and I am still working on my first coffee, so let's have a sip. Okay, so management consultancy AT Kearney has concluded in its 2019 predictions, the latest source to defy claims of it is trending to zero. Okay, it's not going to go that way. Cryptocurrencies are post-crash as part of its annual series of 10 forecasts for the coming year. Somewhat less outrageous than a similar tradition as Saxo Bank, where I think the company declared, who knows what they declared, up or down, I don't know. But I don't listen to too many people. The people I listen to are way deep into crypto. Like Tika Tuari. He's pretty much one of the only guys I will listen to and take opinions from with a spoonful of sea salt. Okay, next. We got the Rockets. Houston Rockets? I don't know much about basketball. Is it the Houston Rockets? I don't know. Maybe. Okay, Bitcoin Cash mining showcased at the Houston Rockets game. I was right, and I didn't even read that. I just relied on my old testosterone-filled sports brain, which isn't that much because I'm more of a hockey guy. All right, so I looked at the picture before I read the words. That's kind of how I am. I'm a picture guy. I like reading. Okay, Bitcoin cash mining showcased at the Houston Rockets game. Bitcoin cash mining, really? At a basketball game. How does that work? On December 27th, the Houston Rockets challenged the Boston Celtics. There's a game. During the game's intermission, 2 contestants participated in a contest called the Antpool Red Planet Race. That sounds kind of interesting. The participants played a game that involved mining Bitcoin Cash on the court floor in the hope of winning $300 worth of Bitcoin Cash. Antpool Red Planet Race. That's interesting. We'll keep that one for later. I'm going to look that up just for shits and giggles. Okay, here's another thing. Bitcoin versus dollar. There may be some tax relief options if you sold your Bitcoin at a loss. Well, of course, if you sold your Bitcoin at a loss, that was dumb. And secondly, well, how would you pay taxes on a loss? It's a loss. There's no gains. For investors whose first time investing in Bitcoin was in 2018 or late 2017, there is a high likelihood that they have incurred substantial losses for the fiscal year of 2018 if they haven't sold yet. On December 17, 2017, Bitcoin hit an all-time high, $19,000. Thereafter, it has fallen to over 80%. Yeah, some people really made some substantial gains, and some did not. But it's not like that anymore. There was a whole lot of crazy stuff going on. Companies opening up and claiming they're going to help make you more Bitcoin by taking yours and investing it and turning it over. And it's more of a pyramid scheme than anything. And that's the end of today's Crypto Corner news for December 29th, 2018, the final Crypto Corner news of the year. And please share your love. Hit one of these buttons for me. And finally, on this last piece, I would like to say, do not give your hard-earned Bitcoin to anybody except to a trading desk where you can trade it, compound it, and leverage it safely, okay? And we've released an amazing profit platform where you can look, just sign up, take a look. We've got some videos. It shows you exactly what you need to do, how to do it, and why. Okay, so right here, do that. And I got this piece of literature that explains some more detail. But there's 5 videos I want you to watch, and I may just change this to explain that. But meanwhile, sign up here and get some more information on how you can make gains on your Bitcoin. Because it doesn't matter what the price is if it goes up or down, because you can profit in a bear market and a bull market. Okay, so don't be scared, don't be afraid. If you're not sure what Bitcoin is, this is a good place to learn about it. Nobody's going to take it from you. And hey, if you only had $20, $30, $40, $50 to start with to fool around with some Bitcoin, you could do that. No one's asking you to put hundreds of dollars and all that kind of stuff, right? That's not how we operate. But on that note, I'm going to say happy Saturday, happy December 29th, and have an awesome New Year's. Play safe and have a drink on me, brothers and sisters. I love you. Peace out.